Yes, that day has come. I'm finally going vegan. Of course I'm only going vegan for one recipe because look at this. I got these packs of vegan burgers. What? Seriously? Let's take a closer look at these. I got the cauliflower cheeseburger, the bulgur spinach burger, and a beetroot tahini chili burger. And finally the quinoa cranberry burger. We're going to grill all these vegan burgers just to see if there's a good options for our vegan guests. Now of course a burger needs something to go on. So we need burger patties, we need tomatoes, we need onions, we need lettuce. My grill is hot and running at a temperature of around 200 to 250 degrees Celsius. I got the charcoal set to one side, I got my cast iron half moon set up. We're going to put on a little bit of oil to season it up, and then we're going to put on our burgers. Now what I like about these burger patties, they're not trying to imitate meat, because if I hate one thing more than I hate vegan options, that is imitation meat. Either you stick to meat or you stick to vegetables. We're already taking off the quinoa cranberry and moving them over to indirect heat, because there's probably a lot of sugar in them as they are turning black very quickly. The same goes for our beetroot and chili. Move it over to indirect. So we'll move these over to indirect heat and let them cook inside, because they've only been on for around 30 to 60 seconds before they start turning brown. In the meantime, we're going to prepare our buns. We'll slice an onion thin. We'll slice up our tomatoes as well. We'll put on some mayonnaise. It will provide us with that creamy texture that we so much like in a burger. So we got our buns in line. Now we're putting on our fresh lettuce. Some juicy thin sliced tomatoes, some slices of red onion to spice things up. And now finally we're going to put on our burger patty, our cauliflower and cheese, our bulgur spinach, our beetroot chili, and our quinoa cranberry. Let's put the cap on. In the defense of the cauliflower cheeseburger, it actually looks good. You know, you got the crusty outside with the golden brown, got the freshness of the lettuce and the tomato and the onion. It kind of jumps at you. It looks good, you want to bite into it. Now that bulgur spinach burger on the other hand, I don't know. It doesn't look all that tasty. And the beetroot, it also looks a little bit disappointing. It turned black really quick. There must be a lot of sugar in there. That cranberry and quinoa burger actually looks a bit better. I will bite into that. But since this isn't a beauty competition, the only way to find out if these burgers are any good is to bite into them. Let's try that good looking cauliflower and cheeseburger. I don't know. I'm trying to come up with something good here. An upside, you know, something where I wouldn't have to put down that burger completely. But all I can come up with is like the lettuce and tomato taste great. That's it, and the bun is fantastic. But that cauliflower and cheeseburger is like biting into a fried brick of dough. It's no good. It doesn't taste good. Forget about it. It never happened. And with good optimism, since it can only get better, we're going to bite into that bulgur spinach burger. After that cauliflower cheeseburger, this is a welcome surprise. We got a good crunch, we actually got some flavor. I like this better. Not fantastic compared to a good burger, but you know, not completely horrible either. Now let's try the beetroot and chili. I'm getting more and more excited because all the rest is so crappy. This has got to be good. This is completely disappointing. It tastes like cumin. The thing tastes like cumin. They should have called it the cumin burger. Now there's a little bit of chili in there, and I think there's some beetroot in there. I didn't taste any beetroot. And then again, you just bite into dough. There's probably a chickpea in there or something. Again, disappointing, very disappointing. Now let's try these quinoa and cranberry they must be good. You know, what else? We can't go that from what we've gotten, right? So there we go. I'm giving up. I'm going home. Who am I kidding? I'm already home. I wish I could hide somewhere. This is terrible. I wish I could like have a good option to give to my vegan guests, like a burger option, but we gotta be honest, there are things that just don't work. You pay €3.50 for a pack of these burgers and there's 2 in them. And to my opinion, none of them are any good. Well, the only good advice that comes out of this is like, don't go for the vegan option of a burger. It's just, this is high quality stuff. This is like proper engineered food, and in the end, my opinion is that it's just no good. Don't even go here, leave it be, forget about it. Just come up with a good vegan recipes, and there are so many out there. Make a great vegan burrito. You know, you can do a lot of good stuff. Make a beautiful sauce, you know, get the lettuce, tomato in there, and make a beautiful salad out of it, like a bean salad. Man, I can come up with so many things better than this. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I'm sorry that I'm not gonna become vegan just yet. I hope you guys aren't disappointed in me. I really did give it a try, and in the end, well, we'll stick to meat for now. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this experiment, and maybe down below in the comment you want to share your experience with vegetarian options for burgers, and I would love to know if there's a good option out there. I want to say a special thank you to everyone that's supporting our channel either through Patreon or by being a member right here on YouTube. I would love to see you guys in the next recipe video, and until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling. Hey Morrison, shall we check out if we still have that Wagyu burger in the fridge? We could make that for lunch. Good idea.